Hi guys, this is Rals. I was trying to take a video with the DSLR camera, but I couldn't focus it very well, so I'm coming back to you today with a short video about the citrus deficiencies I have observed in my citrus apartment orchard. So I have a lot of them. I have a lot of pots. These are just a few samples of those who are not doing so well, and those who I observed I have to interfere, and it has to be fast. So this little guy over here has a number of deficiencies. As you can see, the curly leaf over here, and I have one more. So the new leaves, if they are curled, they are lacking calcium. Yeah, this is gonna be fixed through eggshells, simple eggshell tea. I'm gonna clean the eggshells, I'm gonna boil them, and I'm gonna water them. I'm gonna water my plants with that. Hopefully I'm gonna stop seeing these new leaves, which are very curly. As you can see, one here as well. So this is a clear calcium deficiency. Luckily these new leaves are nice and green, so I have no other problem over here. I'm gonna put this on the side. As you can see, I'm trying to separate the branches. I'm gonna try to give it a shape and grow it in time as a bonsai. And if you're wondering what's with this syringe over here, this is how I'm watering my calamansi in order to get rid of those nasty black little flies, which I'm gonna speak in another video. But this is how I'm watering my my pots. So over here, as you can see, we have not only a calcium deficiency, unfortunately we have some more, and this plant here as well. This poor guy has a couple of them as well. As far as my knowledge goes, after a lot of research, I have identified magnesium deficiency. So it's getting lighter green starting from the edges and moving towards the tip of the leaf. And a manganese deficiency, this, I hope you can see it because I had to research a lot for it and I got some different answers. Wait, let me focus. So manganese deficiency, and here you can see it again on this leaf. So the white spots that appear on the leaf, usually from the middle or the edges, and they tend to spread, so this doesn't look good at all. And together with a light green leaf, which might be a nitrogen, because I have quite a few little guys that have very light green leaves. So don't get scared, not all of my trees are like this. These are just a few that have some problems. Most of them, luckily, they are very nice and very green. I'm gonna make an update of how they look maybe in a week or so. So these are my guys, and what I'm gonna use an NPK fertilizer, because I'm not happy with my liquid fertilizer, so the percentage is not the right percentage. I have two of them, so I'm really trying to see which one they like, which one will they which fertilizer will help, and in how much time. So if you have identified in your citrus plants the same problems, the same color, the same deficiency in the leaves, please let me know if you have identified something else and how did you fix it. So now I'm gonna go put some fertilizer, not too much, on the top of it, and actually I am gonna repot a few of them. I want to show you something. This shouldn't look like this. The water from the soil shouldn't look like this. So this guy together with this one, look, same thing. have a very high concentration of something in the soil. I don't know exactly what, but the soil shouldn't look like this. I did not over fertilize them, so I do not know from where is this brownish, very brownish color in the water. This is one of the guys that look like this, so this one looked like this. I changed the soil and I also put it in a clear plastic cup so I can see what's going on with the roots, and it's starting to look much better after changing the soil, but still I do not like what I'm seeing, so I'll have to start fertilizing it again and see what's gonna happen. So if this identification of deficiencies helped you, please let me know through a comment below. If you think it's something else I'm encountering over here, please let me know, and how did you fix it. Again, these are apartment plants. Unfortunately, I do not have a lot of light for them. I'm using growing lights, which I'm gonna feature in another video, and they did well over the winter with those lights, and now that the spring and summer will follow, I hope they are gonna grow faster and better. But still something is missing from their diet, and I need to try to figure it out how to best supplement it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, please let me know below. Thank you.